So I'm currently in my business babe era, and you can tell by the type of content I've been making in the last month about how to create an app for your business, your website, a business email, marketing, and so much more. But there's a really important part of business that we've not discussed, and that is a phone system. Now, if you're running a business or managing a sales team or even working remotely, you know that staying connected to your customers and your team members can be very challenging. You don't want to start missing important calls that could change the trajectory of your business. But this is no longer going to be a problem because I present to you Krispcall. Now, with Krispcall, you can get a virtual phone number for your business from over 100 countries. So I'm currently in Netherlands. If I want a US phone number, I can get it right from my room. So I no longer need an office phone. I can operate my business from any part of the world. And if I have a team, they can do that as well, and we can all connect. You can literally call someone directly from your laptop. Yeah, you call someone's number from your laptop. So you can also use this number for OTP verification. Also, it is super easy to use because it's a simple setup. You don't need any technical skills to be able to set it up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start, the link would be in my description box. Over here we practice while we learn, so click on it, sign up, and let's get into Krispcall. So you're going to start by signing in using the email that you use to sign up and put in your password. Click on I'm not a robot and click on sign in. So a code will be sent to your email and you're going to type it into this box and click on continue. Okay, now as you can see, you actually get one free number from US, Canada, or UK. So click on choose number, select the preferred country, leave the abilities as all. But if you want the number to strictly be for SMS or voiceover or MMS, you can select one of this and choose your number type. Then over here, you can select your preferred number. So I'm going to name the number and click on add to cart. So let's go to the cart. Now, as you can see, the total amount is $0, but we have to actually put in our billing details. And to do that, you go to settings and you go to plan subscription, and in payment method, you add your card details. Now, if you already did this during the sign up process, then you don't need to do this. You can skip this process. Okay, so let's go back to purchase number. And let's go to cart, and now we're going to confirm our purchase. As you can see, still $0. Now you're going to see the number you purchased here. Now if you run into problems, you can always chat up the customer care and they would help you fix it right away. Trust me, their customer care service is really responsive. Now after that, you can create a team. So if you have a sales team, a marketing team, a finance team, you can create different teams here, name the team and click on create, and you can add members to the team. Over here, just put their email address, click here and click on send. And to call, you can use this dialer here. If you have multiple numbers from Krispcall, you can select the number here, add credits if you don't have any, and select the country you want to call and put the number of the person you're trying to call and click on the dial button. Now, obviously, you don't want to always come into Krispcall every time you want to make a call. So I will show you how to directly do it on your web browser. To add it to the Chrome extension so that you can always have access to it directly without needing to log into the website all the time, go to download apps, go to Chrome extension. You can actually download it on your Android and iOS, but I'm just trying to show you how to make calls from your PC without needing to always log into the website. So go to Chrome extension, click on add to browser, click on add to Chrome, add extension. So now over here we can see it. Now we're going to pin it so that we can just directly have access to it. Now we can always have direct access to it. It's not going anywhere. Just click here, sign in, and now see we have the dialing button. So here you can make your call. So to put it to the test, we're going to call a number on the internet. So I found this number and I'm going to call it now. So we're going to just highlight it, right click and click on call Krispcall. So this is the number here. Just click on the call button and it will dial the number. Thank you for calling. And over here we have all the phone features you need, and in more you can also add notes in case the person needs you to do something. You can take note of what the person wants over here, And you can also transfer the calls to your team members here. So if you add any team members, they'll be shown here and you can click on them to transfer the calls to the person if need be. And over here, you can select the number you would use to call the person. I only have one, and that's why I didn't need to select it. But if you have multiple numbers, you can select your preferred one here. So basically, a Krispcall extension makes everything effective and efficient. So there you have it. Now you have a flexible phone system to manage your calls from all over the world, and also share this video to other business owners that you know that would definitely need this. Again, to sign up to Krispcall, the link would be in the description box, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.